Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to run an LLM locally using Docker. Here I am chatting with an LLM, small LLM 2 in Docker. So now you can run LLM locally in Docker using Model Runner. For that, the requirement is to have Docker desktop which is more than 4.40. If you can't see models in your Docker desktop, you can go to settings and then click on software updates and update to the latest version. I'm currently using the latest version. If you don't have Docker, you can go to this page, that is release notes page of Docker, and get the latest version. Once you have a Docker version which can run LLMs, you can go to beta features and then you have to enable model runner and enable the host side TCP support. And also if you have a GPU, you can enable GPU also. And if you prefer to use command line, you can run this command: Docker desktop enable model runner. I have already enabled model runner using the Docker desktop, so it does not do anything. And you can use this command to enable the TCP. So since I have already enabled this using a Docker desktop, it does not do anything. So now you can see the models by clicking on the models tab. I already have this model downloaded. You can check out all the models which are available in Docker Hub. So this is the model which I have currently pulled to my system. See, there are different versions of the model also available. You can select which version you want by clicking this drop down here. These are all the different versions, and the models are named by using the parameters and quantization. So this is 360 million parameters and quantization 4. You can also see more information about the models in Docker Hub. So here I am in Docker Hub, and this is the model. So there are much more information about this model here, about the provider, architecture, and some performance benchmark details. So all of these details are available in Docker Hub. Now I will show you how to install a model using Docker CLI. So for that, first we have to write a Docker model. And if we do a Docker model PS, we can see all the models which are running right now. And if we do a Docker model list, we can see the models which are available in the system. And we can pull a model to the local environment by using Docker model pull. And after that, we have to give the model name. So in this example, I will use Qwen3 model. So you can see all the models in the Docker Hub, and I'm going to select a Qwen3 model. So there are different parameters of Qwen3 model which are available. I will use a small model. You have to copy the name of the model. So I will use this model. This takes only around 450 MB disk space, very small model, and it is a 600 million parameters model. The big model, 8 billion parameter model, it takes around 4.6 GB. So if you have sufficient disk space, you can go for even bigger models. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will just use a small model. Back to Docker CLI. We will use docker model pull command and type in the model. Downloading has started. It will take some time to download. The model has been pulled successfully. Now we can list the models. Docker model list. So now we can see the new model is also available. We can run the model by using docker model run command, and it will take the name of the model. So now it is in interactive mode. I can talk to the model. Now I am interacting with the model using docker CLI. You can exit by pressing either Control C or you can press /by. Now we will see how to access the local LLM by using Python. The Docker LLMs are compatible with the OpenAI. We will use LangChain OpenAI package to access the Docker models. So first we have to install the LangChain OpenAI package, and from that we can import chat OpenAI. And after that we have to initialize the chat OpenAI with the base URL and API key. So for the Docker model, we have to give this base URL, and API key is a mandatory field. So you can give anything here. And after that, we can specify the model. So here I am using the small LLM. So I will just name the model also as small LLM. Now the next step is accessing the small LLM. So for that, we can use response is equal to small LLM dot we can invoke, and we can print the content of the response. So that will be response dot content. Let's save it and run it. It has given me a response. Let's try another question. What is quantization in ML? Okay, let's run it again. And if you want to use a different model, you can initialize a different model. So let's use the other model, Quen. So again, we have to give the name of the model. So I will list the models, and we have Quen here. Now instead of small LM, let's use Quen. Let's run it. So in this way, you can use multiple models also in the same time. So if you have a requirement where you have to use multiple models, you can use it like that. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.